This is the Sony DCR-TRV230, a Digital 8 Handycam camcorder released by Sony in the early 2000s, designed to record high-quality digital video onto Hi8 tapes. The TRV230 features a 1/6" CCD sensor with roughly 460,000 effective pixels. Video is recorded in standard definition using the Digital 8 format, while still maintaining compatibility with older Hi8 and Video 8 playback, a feature that not all Digital 8 camcorders have. The camcorder is paired with a 25x optical zoom lens and up to 700 times a digital zoom for when that extra distance is needed. Around the side, you get a 2.5" flip-out LCD screen, along with a black and white electronic viewfinder for more precise filming. The camera also includes Sony's night shot mode for low-light recording using infrared technology. For connectivity, the DCR-TRV230 includes Firewire, also known as iLink, allowing direct digital video transfer to a computer for editing and archiving footage with no quality loss. Other features include stereo audio recording, manual exposure and focus controls, as well as Sony's Super Steady Shot image stabilization system. Even today, the Sony DCR-TRV230 remains popular among camcorder collectors and retro video creators for its classic early 2000s Digital 8 look and reliable tape-based recording. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.